Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make coleslaw with Natasha. First, gather your fresh ingredients, ensuring your cabbage and carrots are crisp. We'll then move on to preparing the vegetables, focusing on a fine shred for the best consistency. Next, we'll mix the creamy dressing, balancing sweet and tangy notes. Finally, combine everything for a delightful side dish that's perfect for any occasion. For Natasha's coleslaw, you'll need 1 medium head of green cabbage, finely shredded, and 2 large carrots, grated. The dressing calls for 1/2 cup of good quality mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Don't forget 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper to enhance the flavors. These simple ingredients combine for an amazing taste. Begin by finely shredding your cabbage and grating the carrots into a large mixing bowl. In a separate smaller bowl, whisk together the mayonnaise, apple cider vinegar, sugar, salt, and black pepper until smooth. Once the dressing is ready, pour it over the shredded vegetables. Gently toss everything together, ensuring every piece is evenly coated. This step is crucial for flavor distribution. After chilling, your homemade coleslaw is ready to enjoy. It makes a fantastic side for barbecues, picnics, or a simple weeknight dinner. The flavors meld beautifully, offering a refreshing crunch with every bite. Remember to check the description for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days to maintain freshness. This recipe is truly a crowd pleaser.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.